How to fix Telegram login not working. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So if you're trying to log into your Telegram account and you're not able to log in, it could probably be because of the following reason. First of all, you might want to check your credentials. So always make sure to double check or retype in all the informations or recheck in your information. So basically, it could be a typos or a mistake or a spelling mistake as well. So you might want to check that too. After which, you also want to make sure to go ahead and check your internet settings. So open up settings on your device, head over to network and internet, check whether you are connected to a stable internet or not. Sometimes if you are connected to an unstable internet, that can also cause a login issue. Next, while you're in the same section, you also want to go to apps, locate Telegram, make sure to go to storage and cache, and make sure to click on clear cache. So this way you're supposed to fix Telegram login not working. With that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.